We lived on Ulica Piotrkowska, which was the main street in Łódź. It was, you know, the Fifth Avenue of the city, but it was grim. Interestingly, after the Germans bombed Warsaw to a pulp, they did not destroy Łódź at all because they made their headquarters in Łódź. They renamed Łódź Litzmannstadt, and it was their headquarters. So it was not bombed out at all. The buildings were old, kind of Baroque buildings, gray. I have to say that Łódź was had a nickname of the Polish Manchester because it had a huge industrial-based manufacturing and textiles. And there were many chimneys in the sky in Łódź, but they spewed a lot of coal ash, I guess. And the buildings were gray, and the city always looked gray to me. We lived in a courtyard, an enclosed courtyard. It's kind of not typical of buildings in New York, so it's hard to describe it. But our buildings faced our windows faced an inner courtyard, which was gray. We were possibly the only Jewish family in that building. My brother and I, we were young kids, we were always afraid of the anti-Semitic bullies who would hurl epithets at us. We were always afraid to go out to the courtyard when they were around. It was a grim city, even though it was considered a good address.